What's going on, everybody? Two Bros Garage back at it. Today I will be doing part 2 of the Kawasaki Ninja, my Kawasaki Ninja. So this is what happened, guys. I ordered 2016 Kawasaki Ninja mirrors for it because my factory mirrors are no good. Every time I'm riding, I have to move my arm, my elbows almost over to be able to see behind me. So I ordered 2016 Kawasaki Ninja mirrors, but had a little running. Basically, the mirrors do not fit my bike just because of the way the mount is. So I have a little resolution for that, but I'll show you what they look like, and then I'll show you what I did to adjust. I can't use the mirrors, but I have something coming in real good. So here it is. Alrighty, here they are. 2016 Kawasaki Ninja mirrors. So I wanted to do something different. I wanted to add these to my bike. My bike's a 2003, so this would have gave it a newer, more modern look. These have the turn signals here, so you could, every time you flip them on, people that are coming the opposite way, they could see you, turning, that you're going to be turning. But unfortunately, these did not work. These are beautiful, though. I really like them. So I'll show you guys what happened when I went to go put them in just to try them on. And basically, you see how this mount here, it's more like a straight mount and it comes out straight out. Well, these here, they mount kind of like on an angle, and I was not going to be able to put these on and be able to see behind me, and I was just going to have even a bigger problem. So I made the decision to keep these, and I'll explain later why, but I have a little surprise here. I ended up ordering bar end mirrors, which I want to give a try to. Look how nice. I got these off eBay. They are really slick looking, all black. They're gonna match my bike, and I think this was a good choice. Also, I received the frame sliders that I wanted to get for the bike because mine's are all messed up, and these are nicer. These actually have a design to them that kind of just gives it a little more flair, more swag. So tools that we're going to be using, I have the Allen like socket, I have Allen keys here, I have an extension, I have a 14 mil, and these are the new bolts. So I'm gonna get to it, and then I have a ratchet, of course, to take the old bolts off and put the new ones in. So let's see how it turns out. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna start with the mirrors. I'm gonna remove them. I'm gonna plug the holes for the mirrors with 2 black fairing bolts from the fairing bolt kit that I bought and I installed on the first video, which I think will look really good. It's a 10 mil and a ratchet, 10 mil socket. I'm gonna remove them, and I'm gonna use the factory nuts to bolt on the new bolts, okay? So let's see how it turns out. Alrighty, we're gonna do the bar end mirrors next. I'm gonna remove the stock factory bar end. Now, I learned this. Basically, this is what it brings, the mirrors bring. So it has this this will actually expand. So if you had the type of steering or bar end that would this would go into, well, as you tighten it, this will expand, but mine is just like the flush. Basically, all I have to do is bolt it on. So I'm only gonna use this little black part here. But yeah, it comes for your bike. You just have to order them, and it'll let you know if it fits or if it doesn't fit for your bike. So on mine, I'm just gonna use this end here. And I actually learned that I'm gonna use the factory bolt from my bar ends already. So because this one's too long, and it's just not gonna be enough. So let's check it out. Alright, guys, last but not least, we're gonna do the frame sliders. This bike was dropped before, so I know that this is actually bent, but let's see if it comes out, or hopefully it doesn't break. It's like, it's all twisted. I'll take it out. There it is. Okay. Behind here. Check this out. That's pretty bad. So we're gonna put the new ones in now. This is how this goes. So you get the bolt. It goes right in here. You want to do the 1 washer, not 2. Put it through. Then you want to add this piece on there. This is a whole kit, so it comes together. and then this will go like this. Then we get mounted on, and then you're gonna use your, I don't know, this is a 8 Allen size socket. Make the move, and I'm actually gonna use the factory nut for this. It just fits there and actually doesn't move. I don't have to get a wrench behind it or anything. Alrighty, everybody, look at that. Got her done on this side. I'm gonna do the other side next, do a time lapse. But man, that looks sharp. I just like how slick it looks. I think it's gonna stand out on a class of its own. And it's me, man. I made it. You know, I chose what I wanted to do with it, and it's looking really nice. Look at that. Way better. They're straight, not bent like the others. Really good. And I got a surprise for you guys. Actually, whatever's under this cover here is gonna get the mirrors that I bought for the Kawasaki. So you got to stay tuned. This is got a lot of good things coming on. I'm trying to do the best that I can to bring content, positive movement, and stay busy, you know? So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you like my videos. Take care. Be safe, y'all.